I'm sharing 13 tips for beginner witches that I wish I'd known when I started. Remember, take everything with a grain of salt and always cross-reference information. I'm not an expert, just sharing my experiences. Reading is crucial. Start by picking a topic and taking baby steps. I believe 70% of the craft is gaining knowledge and taking notes, while the remaining 30% is actually practicing what you've learned. It's important to learn about things that contradict your current beliefs. Understanding opposing viewpoints can provide a solid foundation for why you disagree with them. Always seek out information from multiple perspectives. Not everyone is meant to keep up with this lifestyle. It's okay to dabble and see if it fits you. Don't put huge expectations on yourself. Some cleanse daily, some monthly. It varies based on personal beliefs and needs. Ask yourself why you're drawn to this path. Are you seeking knowledge, connection with ancestors, or understanding of the universe? Your reasons may evolve over time, but having clarity on your intent is essential. Determining what works comes with practice. You'll encounter spells that fail, but that's part of the learning process. In time, you'll discern between effective spells and ones that might not be as reliable. Intention is vital, but not everything. Using tools and ingredients can focus your intention and make spellcasting more effective. Everything around you holds energy, which can amplify your spells and reduce the burden on your own energy. Don't rely solely on your own energy. Drawing from the energies around you, whether from the earth, spirits, or the cosmos, can make your spells more powerful and less exhausting. Start small and build up. Everything matters in spell work, but not everything is necessary. You can often substitute ingredients, but be mindful of their specific properties. Understanding the essence of each component is key to successful spellcasting. Get crafty. You already have many items around you suitable for your practice. Investing in certain tools is great, but when in a pinch, use what's available. Low-budget witchcraft items can be just as effective. Master your fundamentals such as cleansing, protecting, banishing, and attracting. These foundational skills will always be relevant and are crucial to your practice. Focus on perfecting these core elements. Remember, you'll always be wrong in someone's eyes. Spiritual practices are deeply personal. Be open to different beliefs and perspectives, but avoid dogmatic thinking. Respect others' paths as you follow your own. Your craft will evolve. What it looks like today may not be the same a year or 10 years from now. Embrace growth and change as you learn and develop your practice. Your needs and beliefs will naturally shift over time. Always practice divination before spellcasting. Even a simple 3-card spread can offer valuable insight and prevent potential pitfalls. Your higher self, spirits, or deities can see more than you can. Write everything down: spells, ideas, dreams, manifestations, readings, questions. Keeping detailed records helps track your progress and learn from your experiences. And finally, don't take yourself too seriously. We're all human, and even in the spiritual realm, a sense of humor is essential. Enjoy your journey,